Well, good afternoon, YouTuber, and welcome to another Animal Crossing New Leaf video. Today, I found a lost item, so on this video, I will spend time finding what this lost item belongs to. So let's get started, YouTubers. We'll start out in Mill's house and see if this item belongs to Mill. Uh-oh. Mill don't seem feeling good. We're gonna get some medicine for Mill. So cold, can't stop shaking. If only I had some medicine. Okay, we'll get you some medicine. First, make it go away. So sick. If only I had some medicine. Alright, YouTubers, I don't think this item belongs to Mill, so yeah, we'll get her some medicine in a minute. Seems like one of my residents sick, but we'll recover her. So we gotta go to I just thought of an idea that would make Gaveston an event better place to live. I call it the outdoor chair. Construction innovate. And not that it's an offer invited or anything. I'm just hoping you'll consider an outdoor chair for the next public work project. I'm ready to stir it with Isabel while you think about it. Another request, YouTubers. Okay. Hang on, Savannah. I still need to talk to you. Hello again. How can I help, bud? Drop something. I can't recall even seeing this before. All I know is that it's someone else. Alright, YouTubers, I guess it's not Savannah. Moving along. Who else is out here besides Savannah? Well, Priest is not home. This item's gonna belong to somebody, YouTubers. Don't worry, YouTubers. We'll find somebody who it belongs to. Sorry for the silent treatment, YouTubers. Just it's nothing to talk about. That's why. So Let's see where this item belongs to. It doesn't belong to Savannah. And I have to go to TT Emporium to get some medicine for mail. So, yeah, look what happened, YouTubers. When I woke up this morning, I got some of my flour died, so I had to change the town to make it beautiful town again, because I did something wrong to it, and I wonder, and maybe I screwed up, and that's why all the flowers died. So I'm gonna turn my town beautiful again, YouTubers. It's just turning beautiful today because I wanted it to turn beautiful, so that's why. I don't see anyone else out here. I don't think Hopper's home either. Oh, great. I'm gonna be stuck with this item, YouTubers, for a while. Oh, boy. Savannah can't be the only one out. Well, why don't we buy some medicine for Mill, because she's sick today, and poor Mill, she deserves to get some medicine to feel better, right, YouTubers? We'll come back. Alright, to Emporium we go, shall we? Alright, YouTubers. To TT Emporium we go. Oh, I needed to talk to Anchovy. Maybe this item belonged to him. Welcome, welcome. Come on in. Alrighty then. Let's buy the medicine, YouTubers. Some medicine. A fine item, yes. The price is 400. Are you interested in this item? I'll take it. Thank you. Oh, I'm filled up. What a time to be filled up, YouTubers. Alright. I think Yep, I'm filled up. Alright, YouTubers. We're going to have to do a little trashing. Thank you for visiting. Come again. I'm going to return, Tommy. Alright, where's Anchovy? I saw him earlier before entering TT Emporium. Ugh, now he got himself lost. Oh, there he is. Okay, let's ask him. Maybe it belongs to him, YouTubers. Blue boy, funny running into you here, champ. So, anyway, what's up? You dropped this. Is this yours, Anchovy? Please say it's yours. Nope. I never seen this before. Good luck finding the owner, champ. Ugh. There's barely nobody roaming around in town. It's gonna make it that hard to find who the owner is. Alright, YouTubers, I gotta do a little trash dumping before I continue on here. There's the trash can. Dumpy dumpy. This, and this. Confirm. There we go. That should be okay now, YouTubers. Now I can buy the medicine for Mill. Oh, there's Cobb, but I don't think it's his item. Up a daisy. Enter in again. Alright, YouTubers, sorry for the delay. I didn't know I was all filled up. So, there we go. Welcome, welcome. Come on in. Alright, YouTubers. Let's buy the medicine again. Some medicine. A fine item, yes. The price is 400. Are you interested of this item? I'll take it. Thank you for your purchase. You want to hear the songs, YouTuber? I'll let you hear the song. I don't want to waste the whole video just hearing the song. Here's the songs that's in my TT Emporium today. KK Moody. Not right now, Tommy. Maybe later. Right now I have to find the owner. Understood. Well then, please look around and examine our other wares. So many. Yeah, he says that, YouTubers. I don't think it's so many. Alright, moving along. KK Soul. A fine item, yes. The price is 3,200 bells. Are you interested in this item? What's the song like? That's not too bad, right, YouTubers? To me, it's a little sad, but... maybe I'll take it, YouTubers. Let me take it. There we go. That's taken care of. Alright, YouTubers. We're going to have to... next get Mill to recover from her sickness. Thank you for visiting. Come again. Alrighty then. Yeah, it does not belong to Anchovy. I wish it did belong to him. Oh, by the way, YouTubers, Shuri she just left, so you won't see her anymore. So yeah, she left, so she's long gone. She's no longer living in my town anymore, so you won't see her anymore, YouTubers, on my videos. But maybe she'll be roaming in the main street, so who knows? Where am I going? I'm supposed to go to Mill's house. There's her house. Her house is next to me, YouTubers, that's why. Knock, 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 let me in. I know you're sick, Mill. Here's some medicine for you to recover from your sickness. Alright. Wish this belongs to you, yeah. She's got a fever, YouTubers. That's why she's shaking cold. So cold, when will it end? Have some medicine. Oh, King G, thanks. It tastes so bad, so this medicine should be good for me. Yeah, every medicine tastes bad. There's no medicine that tastes good. Alright, Mill, you get rest. Alright. I don't think there's anyone else besides Savannah's out here, but... it can't belong to Cubs, because he just moved here today. Maybe he belongs to Hopper. Oh, he's got fleas. Nice weather, huh, champ? Nice days put me in a nice mood, you know? So, what's up? Drop something. This yours, Hopper? This isn't mine. I think you should ask somebody else. Oh, come on. Alright, we'll deal with your flea problems later. Because right now I have to find the owner. It's what the video's about. Okay. Maybe it belongs to her. I mean, it has to belong to somebody. Daria, does this belong to you? Oh, look at her hiding. Okay, let's move it along, YouTubers. Can't waste a video on this. Who, King G? This is unexpected. Well, I got nothing to offer you, but hang out if you want, honey. So, is there something you need from me? Drop something. This better belong to you, Dari. Oh, my quarterly Damorado Staticus. It's a handbook. Ugh. Sorry for the pronouncing, YouTubers. Just what? Kidding. It's a big comic book. Yo, thanks for finding it for me. You got me there frightened. I thought this doesn't belong to you. Woo. Thank goodness we found the owner. And yeah, don't worry, I'm not studying Vanity or anything. Alright, we found the owner, YouTuber. It belongs to Dari. Thank goodness. Thanks so much, King G. Take my skill tea as thanks. I'll try real hard not to lose it again, honey. You better. Next time it's just going to be left on the ground. Bye. Sorry, YouTubers, if you hear any cracks. It's just cracking my arms and knuckles. So yeah, if you hear cracks, that's my cracks. All right. You can talk now, Hopper. Hello. Good to see ya. So, did you need something? I want to chat. Today, I thought I'll try something a little different and wear some sporty clothes, but the tag is itchy so bad I can hardly stand it anymore. I'm freaking out. Ugh, okay. Let's take care of that problem, shall we? Gotcha. I caught a flea. Oh no, now I'm itchy. Nice expression. Huh, what's a relief? I thought I had the manage or something, but it was just a flea. Thanks, champ. Next time you have a flea, I'll totally help you out. Humans don't get flea, Hopper. Just animals. Alright, let's just get the flea to drown. Release. There we go. Alright, YouTubers. Alright, hang on, YouTubers. I went on one of my crazy shopping sprints, King G, and I brought something I didn't even want. Would you consider buying a lovely wall from me, let's see, for 1,504 bells? You know, YouTubers, I'll buy it. It's so girly for me. I know what it is. Sure. It's just like to make my residents happy, that's all. Oh, are you sure? That's great, King G. Alright. You take the money. I'll take the wallpaper. Thanks for helping me with my little shopping solution. Let's just keep it between us, okay? Hey, don't keep secrets from me, sweetheart. Alright, YouTubers. If the YouTubers want... This is Cops. I'll talk to him. He dinged one time. Yo, we meet again, hot dog. Need what you need? Wanna chat? You should let me play you some of my juggling battle music. It gets me so fired up. Yeah, okay, that's nice. This song is the town tune of Redstone, where I used to live. It's actually pretty famous. Really? Alright, well, I have a friend that goes to Redstone. So, I think I can know what you mean the word by famous. Alright, YouTubers. One last thing before we wrap the video. Let's check the clothes real quick. Hello, welcome to Handmade Fashion Palace of One and Only Able Sisters. Oh, this is a cool jacket. What is this one? The sporty vibe of the black track jacket. It's nice, right? I'm a real fan. That item costs 420 bells. What do you think? Later. Oh, okay, never mind then. Just checking it out, YouTubers, that's all. Oh, another mask, YouTubers. But I'll do it on my spare time, okay? Later on, I'll buy the mask. Just perhaps YouTubers want to know what the next mask is. It is... Hi, Gabriel. I didn't know you were here. Please take a look around. I will if you quit chatting. Yeah, I think I have all this, YouTubers. All this piece of junk. Yeah, I have it. Alright. Thanks, to see you soon. Alright. Oh, you YouTubers never saw the upstairs TT Emporium, right? Maybe I can show you real quick before I wrap it up. Just real quick, YouTubers. Because it's getting a little long, and I don't want to make it too long and bored you, YouTubers. Okay, this is the last one, YouTubers, and then I'll wrap it up. Welcome, come on in. Yeah. Come on. Quit chatting. I'm more an action kind of guy, not a talking kind of guy. Sorry for the wibble wobble. Oh, look, a bump bed, YouTubers. If you want a bump bed, just let me know. Okay, an astral clock, bunk bed, lucky cat, kitty chair. Oh, this is another Halloween-related YouTubers. This is Spooky Weirdo. A fine item, yes. This is a limited time offer that's only on sale this season, so don't let this opportunity pass you by. The price is 4,124 bells. Are you interested in this item? Sure. There we go. That's the item, YouTubers. And there's the chair. Okay. What's up there? An air conditioner. Up we go. Some more. Okay. I don't think there's anything to show you. Maybe I should pass Gracie's thing, YouTubers, because it's always going to be the same thing. When winter comes, then I'll show you Gracie's winter-related stuff. Unless you want to see it for, YouTubers, because there's some people who still have TIY and understand that they're working real hard to get TT Emporium. I mean, for me, it took hard time, too, for me. It took me till September to get this TT Emporium, but I finally got it. Alright. Alright, YouTubers, I think I should call it a video. Excuse me, Lolly. Sorry I have to push you just to go down. Alright, YouTubers. I think I'll wrap it up because... Yeah, I'll wrap it up, YouTubers, okay? So, I'm glad you enjoy the item finder video. Yeah, that belongs to that item that I found earlier this morning. It wasn't on video, but I found it. It belonged to Daria. Thank goodness we found it and returned it, because it's the right thing to do, YouTubers. You don't want to be too selfish. And I'm sorry about Milt's sick, so it's going to take time for her to recover. Must be fall fever. Huh, YouTubers? Fall fever. Get it? Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap this video for today, YouTubers, okay? So, I'll catch you next time on the next Animal Crossing New Leaf video. So, I'll catch you later, YouTubers. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.